This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your behavior account, email is verified and signed in. Once done, open the Behavior app or website on a device with stable internet. Make sure to navigate directly to settings and locate linked accounts. This prevents detours. You'll need any secondary account credentials handy. Then select Add Link or Connect Now. This first action initializes the handshake between services and displays the permissions requested, so you can proceed with confidence. Now you choose the external service to connect and tap Authorize. This is where you control access. Once prompted, read permissions carefully and accept only what's required. Next, configure sync preferences, decide frequency, data scope, and which content is shared. Make sure to match account identifiers to avoid linking the wrong profile. If multi-factor authentication appears, complete it to confirm identity. After configuration, the system typically shows a confirmation screen with summary details. Finish by confirming the link status in linked accounts. You should see connected and timestamps. Once confirmed, test the integration with one synced action to verify data flows correctly. If the link fails, retry the authorization flow and re-enter credentials. Make sure time and device settings are correct. If problems persist, clear the app cache or browser cookies and attempt reconnection. As a last resort, revoke access on the external service and start the link process again to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.